next topic, that is trigonometry. Trigonometry, class 8. Yes, trigonometric ratios up to transformations. Second topic, that is trigonometry up to transformations. Trigonometric ratios up to transformation. First of all, what is the trigonometry? Trigonometry means trigonometry is derived from two Greek words, that is trigonum and metron. Trigonometry is derived from the two Greek words, that is trigonum and metron. Trigonum and metron. Trigonio means three angles. Metron means measurements. Metron means what? Measurements. That means three-angle measurements. Trigonometry is the word is derived from the two Greek words, that is trigon, that is nothing but trigonio means three angles. Metron means what? Measurements. Three-angle measurements. The basic task of the trigonometry. The basic task of the trigonometry to find the unknown quantities of the triangles of given quantities. To find the unknown quantities. For example, if sides is given, how to find the angles. If angles is given, how to find the sides. That is the basic task of the trigonometry is. The basic task of the trigonometry is to find the unknown quantities of the given triangle. By using given quantities. That is the basic task. Trigonometry is the word is derived from the two Greek words, that is trigonum and metron. Trigonio means three angles. Metron means measurements. Three-angle measurements. It is nothing but trigonometry. The father of the trigonometry is Hipparchus. The father of the trigonometry is Hipparchus. The father of the trigonometry is who developed the trigonometry means Hipparchus was the developed the trigonometry. So that's why the father of the trigonometry is Hipparchus. Trigonometry. Trigonometry means three-angle measurements. Three-angle measurements. Trigonometry is the word is derived from the two Greek words, that is trigonio and metron. Trigona means three angles. Metron means measurements. The basic task of the trigonometry is to find the unknown quantities of the triangles by using given quantities. So first of all, what is angle? What is angle? Angle means the amount of rotation of revolving ray. With reference fixed ray. The amount of rotation of revolving ray with reference fixed ray is called an angle. Is nothing but this is fixed ray. This is revolving ray. The amount of rotation of revolving ray, with reference fixed ray is called an angle. The amount of rotation, this is revolving, this is fixed ray. The amount of rotation, of revolving ray, with reference or with respect, fixed ray is called an angle. The amount of rotation of revolving ray, The amount of rotation of revolving ray with reference fixed ray is called an angle. Or the union of two rays having same initial point is called an angle. So the amount of rotation of revolving ray with reference fixed ray is called an angle. Is denoted by letter theta or alpha. Theta or alpha. The amount of rotation of revolving ray with reference fixed ray is called what? Is called. If the revolving ray revolves in anti-clockwise direction, revolving ray revolves in anti-clockwise direction. The revolving ray revolves in anti-clockwise direction. Then theta records positive. That means this is revolving ray. It revolves like this. That means anti-clockwise direction. Then theta records what? Positive. Second one. The revolving ray revolves in clockwise direction. Then theta records negative. This is revolving ray. It revolves like this anti-clockwise direction. Theta records positive. The revolving ray revolves like this clockwise direction. Theta records what? Negative. The amount of rotation of revolving ray with reference fixed ray. The amount of rotation of revolving ray with reference fixed ray is called an angle. If the revolving ray revolves in anti-clockwise direction, the revolving ray revolves in anti-clockwise direction, then theta records positive. If revolving ray revolves in clockwise direction, then theta records negative. How to measure an angle means the measurement of angles. Yes, that is the angle. The units of measurement of angles. Units of measurement of angle. Units of measurement of angle. How to measure the angle? We have three systems. To measure the angle, we have three systems. That is, first one is hexadecimal system, and second one is centesimal system. Third one is the radian or the circular system. How to measure the angle? What is the measurements? We know that we have three systems to measure the angle. That is hexadecimal system, centesimal system, and the circular system. Hexadecimal system, centesimal system, and circular system. Hexadecimal system is nothing but English system. This is French system. Hexadecimal system is nothing but English system, and centesimal system is French system. Let us discuss one by one here. What is hexadecimal system is? That's one last one. Hexadecimal system means in this system, the measurement of an angle in this system, the measurement of an angle is degree. In this system, the measurement of an angle is degree. In this system, the measurement of an angle is what? Degree. In this system, the measurement of an angle is what? Degree. That is, it is denoted by like this. That is 1 degree. 1 degree. In this system, the hexadecimal system is nothing but English system. In this system, the measurement of an angle is what? Degree. In this system, the measurement of an angle is degree. That is 0 degrees or 30 degrees or 40 degrees or 80 degrees or 90 degrees or 230 degrees or 360 degrees like this. So, in this system, the measurement of an angle is what? Degree. What is degree? Degree means if revolving ray revolves 360 degrees, we get one circle. That is, if you divide the circle into 360 equal parts, if revolving ray, this is fixed ray, this is revolving ray. If revolving ray revolves like this, revolving ray revolves and like this again. This is A, this is B, this is O. We get a circle. This circle divided into 360 equal parts. 360 equal parts. Circle divided into 360 equal parts. Each equal part is called degree. That means 1 by 360th the part of 1 by 360th the part of one complete rotation. Complete rotation is called degree. If one complete rotation divides into 360 equal parts, each equal part is called degree. That means 1 by 360th part. That means 1 by 360th part of one complete rotation. 1 by 360th part of one complete rotation is called degree. Further degree divides into 60 equal parts. Further degree divides into 60 equal parts. Each equal part is called minute. Minute. That means minute means further degree divides it into 60 equal parts. Each equal part is called minute. Each equal part is called minute. That is minute. That means 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. That means 1 degree divides it into 60 equal parts. Each equal part is called what? Minute. Further each minute Further, each minute again divided into 60 equal parts. Further, this is each minute. This is 1 minute. Let us do that. Again, each minute divided into 60 equal parts. Again, each minute is divided into 60 equal parts. Is called what? Second. This is called what? Second. Further, each minute is divided into 60 equal parts. 60 equal parts. Each part is called second. That means 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Observe here, that is first system is sexagesimal system is nothing but English system. Sexagesimal system is nothing but English system. In this system, the measurement of angle is what? Degree. In this system, the measurement of angle is degree. What is degree means? 1 by 360th part of 1 by 360th part of 1 by 360th part of one complete rotation is nothing but one circle divided into 360 equal parts. Each equal part is called what? Degree. Each equal part is called degree. That means 1 by 360th part of one complete rotation. 1 by 360th part of one complete rotation is called what? Degree. Further, degree divides it into, each degree divides it into 60 equal parts. 60 equal parts. Each equal part is called minute. Each equal part is called minute. Further, minute is again divided into 60 equal parts. Each equal part is called what? Second. Each equal part is called second. In this system, observe here, 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. In this system, 1 right angle is equals to how much? 1 right angle is equals to 90 degrees. 1 straight angle is equals to 180 degrees. 1 complete angle is equals to 1 complete angle is equals to 360 degrees. In this system, 1 right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. That is, in sexagesimal system, 1 right angle is how much? 90 degrees. 1 straight angle is 180 degrees. And 1 complete angle is 360 degrees. This is sexagesimal system. Sexagesimal system is the English system. In this system, the measurement of angle is degree. Degree means 1 by 360th part of a complete rotation is called degree. Degree divides into 60 equal parts. Each equal part is called minute. Again, minute further divided into 60 equal parts. Each equal part is called second. In this system, 1 right angle is equals to 90 degrees. 1 straight angle is equals to 180 degrees. 1 complete angle is equals to how much? 360 degrees. Next, centesimal system. This is sexagesimal system. Next system is centesimal system. Second one, centesimal system is nothing but French system. In this system, the measurement of angle is in this system. Measurement of an angle is nothing but grade. In this system, the measurement of angle is what? Grade. It is denoted by like this 1 power z. 1 power z nothing but 1 grade. In this system, The measurement of angle is semi-decimal system is nothing but French system. In the system, the measurement of angle is what? The measurement of angle is grade. The measurement of angle is grade. It is denoted by 1 power c. Nothing but 1 grade. So in the system, the measurement of angle is how much? Grade. What is grade means? Grade means 1 by 400th part of 1 complete rotation. One by 400th part of 1 complete rotation is called what? Grade. 1 by 400th part of 1 complete rotation. That means 1 complete rotation we form one circle. If circle divides it into 400 equal parts, 400 equal parts, each equal part is called what? Grade. That means 1 by 400th part of 1 by 400th part of 1 complete rotation. 1 by 400th part of 1 complete rotation is called what? Grade. 1 by 400th part of 1 complete rotation is called what? Grade. So grades further divides into minute means grades further each grade divides it into 100 equal parts. Further, each grades divided into 100 equal parts. Each equal part is called minute. Each equal part is called what? Minute. Further, each grade divided into again 100 equal parts. Each equal part is called what? Grade. Again, each minute is called minute. So each minute divided into further each minute divides it into 100 equal parts, then each equal part is called second. Each equal part is called second. That means 1 grade is equals to 100 minutes. 1 grade is equals to 100 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 100 seconds. 1 minute is equals to 100 seconds. Where? In French system, that is centesimal system. 1 minute is equals to 100 seconds. In this system, 1 right angle is equals to 100 grades. In this system, 1 right angle is equals to 100 grades. In this system, 1 right angle is equals to how much? 200 grades. In this system, 1 complete angle is equals to 400 grades. That is, second one is centesimal system. Centesimal system is nothing but French system. Centesimal system is nothing but French system. In the system, the measurement of angle is what? In this system, the measurement of angle is grade. In the system, the measurement of angle is what? Grade. Grade means 1 by 400th part of 1 complete rotation. That means if it's 1 complete rotation, we get a circle. That circle divides it into 400 equal parts. Each equal part is called what? grade. Further, grade is divided into 100 equal parts. Each equal part is called minute. Further, each minute is divided into again 100 equal parts. Each part is called second. That means 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds in French system, that is centesimal system. So here 1 right angle is equal to, here 1 right angle is equal to 100 minutes, 1 right angle is equal to 100 minutes, 1 right angle is equal to 200 minutes, 1 complete angle is equal to nothing but 400 minutes. Next system is, next one is circular system. Third one is circular system. Circular system. In the system, the measurement of angle is, in this system, the measurement of angle, measurement of an angle is, in the system, the measurement of angle is nothing but radian. In the system, the measurement of an angle is nothing but what? Radian. That is, it is denoted by 1 power c. 1 power c. Grade means 1 power c. Radian means 1 power c. Radian, clearly radian is different from radius. Not radian and radius are not equal. Radian is different. Radian is an angle. Radian is an angle. And radius is the line segment joining the center of the circle and any point on the circumference. That is different. That is line segment. This is angle. Okay, both are different. So, in the system, the measurement of angle is radian. In the system, the measurement of angle is radian. Radian. So, it is denoted by 1 power c. 1 power c. So, what is radian? Radian means angle formed by the arc, angle formed by the arc, that is, this is AB arc, that is clearly minor arc, angle formed by the arc of whose length is equal to its radius, angle formed by the arc of whose length is equal to its radius of the center of the circle, then we get 1 radian. That means this is L, this is R. So L is equal to R. Angle formed by the arc, angle formed by the arc, angle formed by the arc of length. With center. Angle formed by the arc of length. Angle formed by the arc of whose length is equal to its radius of the radius of the circle at center. Then we get 1 radian. Then it is called 1 radian. Then it is called 1 radian. Angle formed by the arc of length. Angle formed by the arc of length whose length is equal to its radius. Angle formed by the arc of length is equal to its radius with at center. Then we get 1 radian. 1 radian. Clearly, what is the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Clearly, the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So, again, if you take this one, ABC, again this is 1 radian. Again, this is 1 radian. Total, one complete rotation, we get, that is, here radius whose length is equal to how much? 1 radian, 1 radian, If you take total circumference is equals to 2 pi r. So this is 1 radian, this is 1 radian, this is 1 radian, up to r is equals to 1. If you substitute here, we get 2 pi radians. We get 2 pi radians. Then it is called radian. One complete angle is equals to 1 complete angle is equals to 2 pi radians. One complete angle is equals to 2 pi radians, and one straight angle is equals to 5 radians. One straight angle is equals to 5 radians. One right angle is equals to 5 by 2 radians. One right angle is equals to how much? 5 by 2 radians. Observe here, circular system or the radian. Circular system or the radian. Circular system means in this system, the measurement of angle is radian. In this system, the measurement of angle is what? Radian. Radian is nothing but angle formed by the arc of whose length. Angle formed by the arc of whose length is equals to its radius at center. Then we get 1 radian. One complete rotation is equals to 2 pi radians. One complete rotation is equals to 2 pi radians. One straight angle is equals to 5 radians. One right angle is equals to 5 by 2 radians. 5 by 2 radians. How to compare the three? Yes. What is the relation between the radians and degrees? Degree and radian. The relation between the degrees and radian. We know that 2 pi radians, one complete rotation is 2 pi radians. In degrees, one complete rotation is equals to 360 degrees. Both sides divided by 2, we get 5 radians is equals to 180 degrees. 5 radians is equals to 180 degrees. 5 radians is nothing but one straight angle is equals to how much? 180 degrees. Nothing but degrees. 5 radians is equals to 180 degrees. And 1 radian is equals to 180 by 5 degrees. 1 radian is equals to 180 by 5 degrees. If you take pi value 3.1416 and so on. If you take pi value 3.1416 and so on, 1 radian is equals to 57 degrees 16 minutes approximately. One radian is equals to in degrees, in terms of degrees, 57 degrees 16 minutes. 57 degrees 16 minutes. If you take pi value 3.1416, if you divide it by the 180 by 3.1416, we get 57 degrees 16 minutes. Approximately 1 radian is equals to how much? 57 degrees 16 minutes. 57 degrees 16 minutes. Nice. How do we know that? That is pi radians is equals to 180 degrees. Pi radians is equals to 180 degrees. If you want 1 degree, observe here, pi radians is equals to 180 degrees. 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 degrees. 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians. If you take pi value 3.1416 and so on, if you divide 1 degree is equals to 0.01746 radians approximately. 1 degree is equals to 0.01746 radians. If you divide by 3.1416 by 180, we get 0.01746 radians. So 1 degree is equals to how much? 0.0176 radians. How to convert the degrees as radians? or grades means the relation between degrees and radians and grades. We know that is degrees comma grades and radians. What is the relation and how to find how to convert it? If degrees is given, how to convert it into grades? If radians is given, how to convert it into grades? If grades is given, how to convert into radians? Already we discussed here total complete angle that in degrees one complete angle is equal to how much? 360 degrees. In grades one complete angle is equal to 400 grades. In radians, right here, one complete angle is equal to here 360 degrees. One complete angle is equal to 400 grades, and here one complete angle is equal to 2 pi radians. 2 pi radians. Totally divided by 2, we get 180 degrees. One straight angle is equal to 180 degrees. Here in grades, one straight angle is equal to 200 grades. That is in radians, that is pi radians. Again divided by 2, we get 90 degrees. One right angle is equal to 90 degrees. In grades, one right angle is equal to 100 grades. In radians, one right angle is equal to pi by 2 degrees. So this can be written as that is degrees by 90 is equal to. This is grades by 100 is equal to. Grades by 100 is equal to. This is radians, c by pi by 2 or 2c by pi. C by pi by 2 or it can be taken as d by 90 is equal to z by 100 is equal to 2c by pi. So 90 degrees is equal to 100 grades is equal to pi by 2 radians. This can be written as d by 90 is equal to g by 100 is equal to c by pi by 2 or d by 90 is equal to g by 100 is equal to 2c by pi. If let us do that one small example. One example, that is if 30 degrees convert it into grades and radians. 30 degrees converted into grades and radians. How means we know the relation d by 90 is equal to z by 100 is equal to 2c by pi. D by 90 is equal to z by 100 is equal to 2c by pi. If you want grades, take this one. D by 90 is equal to z by 100. We get d value, that is 30 by 90 is equal to z by 100. 30 ones 33. If you do cross multiplication, 3 is equal to 100, z is equal to 100 by 3 grades. So 30 degrees is equal to 100 by 3 grades. 100 by 3 grades. If you convert it into radians, that is take d by 90 is equal to 2c by pi. D by 90 is equal to 2c by pi. If you substitute here, 30 by 90 is equal to 2c by pi. 1s are, 3s are, cross multiplication 6 is equal to pi. C is equal to pi by 6 radians. Pi by 6 radians. So 30 degrees in grades, 100 by 3 grades, 100 by 3 grades. In radians, nothing but pi by 6 radians. By using this relation, d by 90 is equal to z by 100 is equal to c by pi. By using this relation, how to convert if you want z value or d value, c value, if one of the given, easily to find these values. Next, sometimes that is angle is given. How to find the length of the arc and how to find the area of the sector means. Sector is nothing but area enclosed by one arc and 2 radii. Sector is nothing but area enclosed by the one arc This is sector. This is sector. If theta, angle is given, theta, that is given in radian, then angle theta is given in radian. How to find? This is the length of the arc. This is the length of the arc. How to find the length of the arc is equal to length of the arc is equal to r into theta. Length of the arc is equal to r theta. R is nothing but radius. This is radius. Theta is nothing but this angle. Compulsory theta in terms of radius. That is the radian only. So when theta is given in radian and r is given, then length of arc is equal to length of the arc L is equal to r theta. Area of the sector. Area of the sector is equal to area of the sector is equal to. How to find the area of the sector when theta is given in radian? Radian means half of r square theta. Half of r square theta is the area of the sector. Area of the sector. We know that area of the sector is equal to L R. L R means area of the sector is equal to L R. L means what? R theta into R is nothing but R square, half of L R. So half of R square is half of R square. We get half of R square. Half of the R square theta. When theta is given in radian, then how to find the length of the arc is length of the arc is equal to L is equal to R theta. Theta must in radian, and area of the sector A is equal to half of the R square into theta. Half of the R square into theta. Trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios means that is in your rectangular triangle. If you take this is rectangular triangle. This is rectangular triangle. The ratios of sides of the rectangular triangle. The ratios of sides of any two sides. The ratio of any two sides of the rectangular triangles is called the trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. That means the ratio between any two sides of the rectangular triangle. The ratio of any two sides. The ratio of any two sides of rectangular triangle. The ratio of any two sides of rectangular triangle with respect to theta. With respect to theta, then the ratios are called then the ratios are called trigonometric ratios. Then the ratios are called trigonometric ratios. Nothing but T ratios. Trigonometric ratios are trigonometric functions. Trigonometric ratios are trigonometric functions. The ratio of any two sides of a rectangular triangle. The ratio of any two sides of a rectangular triangle with respect to theta. If you take theta here, with respect to theta, then these ratios are the trigonometric ratios are, that is nothing but T ratios are trigonometric functions. Observe here, this is theta. This is rectangular triangle, rectangle B. The rectangular opposite side is called hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. the opposite side of right angle. The opposite side of right angle is called what? Hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. If you take theta here, that is angle C. This side is clearly opposite side to theta. This is theta. If you take theta here, this side, that is AB is clearly opposite side to theta. Opposite side to theta. What about BC? BC is adjacent side to theta. This is adjacent side to theta. This is opposite side to theta. This is clearly theta. This is AB is clearly opposite side to theta. AB is clearly opposite side to theta. And BC is clearly adjacent side to theta. This is adjacent side to theta. If you take angle here, BC is opposite side to theta. That means if you take angle A is theta, BC is opposite side to theta, and AB is adjacent side to theta. So the ratio of any two sides, the ratio of any two planes or any two sides, the ratio of any two sides of right angle triangle, the ratio of any two sides of the right angle triangle, any two sides of the right angle triangle with respect to theta are called trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. Are called what? Trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. So these are called. You observe here. If you write the possible, all the ratios of these sides means, first of all, that is AB by AC, one possible ratio. Next, second one, right? AB by AC or BC by AC or BC by AC or AB by BC. AB by BC or its reciprocal AC by B, AC by AB or AC by BC or this is BC by. Observe here the ratios of sides of right angle triangle. Write all the possible ratios. Write all the possible ratios of right angle triangle means I can write only 6 possible pairs like this. AB by AC, AB by AC, or BC by AC, or AB by BC, or AC by AB, AC by BC, BC by A. Only we get 6 possible ratios of, that is, right angle triangle with respect to theta. Clearly, AB with respect to theta, AB is opposite side to theta. AB is opposite side to theta. By AC is their hypotenuse. BC is the adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta by AC is again hypotenuse. AB is clearly opposite side to theta. Opposite side to theta by BC is clearly adjacent side to theta. BC is clearly adjacent side to theta. Again, AC is hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse by AB is nothing but opposite side to theta. AC is nothing but hypotenuse by but adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta. Again, BC is nothing but adjacent side to theta. AB is nothing but opposite side to. So ABC is a right angle triangle. Given that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Right angle at B. The right angle opposite side is called what? Hypotenuse. If you take theta here, here I can see. Then AB is the opposite side to theta. Opposite, clearly AB is the opposite side to theta. What about BC? BC is the adjacent side to theta. BC is the adjacent side to theta. So, what is the trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions means the possible ratios of any two sides of right angle triangle with respect to theta is called the trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. If the triangle ABC is given, write all the possible ratios of the given right angle triangle means I can write only 6 possible pairs. That is AB by AC or BC by AC or AB by BC or AC by AB or AC by BC or BC by AB. Clearly AB is the opposite side to theta and AC is the hypotenuse. BC is the adjacent side to theta, AC is the hypotenuse. AB is the opposite side to theta, BC is the adjacent side to theta. AC is the hypotenuse and AB is the opposite side to theta. Again AC is hypotenuse and BC is the adjacent side to theta. BC is the adjacent side to theta, AB is the opposite side to theta. Here they gave names. Each one, that is opposite side to theta by hypotenuse, that is sine of the theta, is nothing but sine theta. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse is nothing but sine of the theta. Sine of the theta, that is SI and the sine of the theta, that can be written as simply sine theta. So sine theta is equal to what? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Sine theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Sine theta is equal to opposite side to theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. They gave one of the name, that is sine of the theta. This is opposite side to theta by hypotenuse, means they gave one name, that is sine of the theta. Next, adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse, they gave cosine of the theta. They gave the name, that is cosine of the theta, that can be written as cos theta simply, that is cos theta. So adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse is equal to, that is cosine of the theta, simply it can be written as cos theta. Next, AB by BC, nothing but opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta is nothing but tangent to the theta. Tangent to the theta is nothing but simply it is written as tan theta. That is tan theta. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. That is tangent of the theta. Tangent of the theta. That can be simply write tan theta. Again, hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. Hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. They gave another name, cosecant theta. That is, we write cosecant theta. Hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. That is, name is cosecant to theta. That is cosecant theta. Another name is hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. They gave one name, that is secant to the theta. is nothing but secant theta. S is secant theta. So secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. BC by A, that is adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. They gave another name. Cotangent of the theta. Cotangent of the theta is nothing but cot theta. Nothing but. So these are names are given each ratio. That is opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse is nothing but sin theta. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse is nothing but cos theta. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta is nothing but tangent of that theta is nothing but tan theta. Next, hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. Hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. They gave cosecant theta is nothing but cosec theta. Next, hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta is nothing but secant theta is nothing but secant theta. Next, adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta is nothing but cotangent of the theta is nothing but cot theta. These are called the trigonometric ratios with respect to theta. Trigonometric ratios with respect to theta. If your theta is here, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Every sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta, these are only that is names. There is no meaning. If you remove the theta from sin, there is no meaning. If you add the theta, that is sin theta, is nothing but opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Tan theta means opposite side to by adjacent side to theta. These are called the trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions of the right angle triangle with respect to theta. This is called trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric